welcome back to my channel. This is the 2.4 liter that's going back into the Targa. Taking a few minutes to clean this engine. Now I'm removing the engine oil cooler since I got a new one to replace it.
Check out this piece of art from CSF. Very cool. This thing is great. What an awesome piece. And I got a lot of confidence that this is going to keep my temperatures down.
If you'd like to buy this oil cooler from CSF, there's a link in the description. The previous owner fully rebuilt this engine and he put it into the Targa and drove it around for a summer to break the motor in. He pulled it back out because it was time for race season. This motor needs a valve adjustment. Now, it's surely an easier time to do it than when it's in the car. This engine is a 2.4 liter, but the previous owner installed 2.2E pistons and E cams. The 2.2 and 2.4 both have 84 millimeter bore. The difference between the two is the crankshaft and the rods. I'm not an engine builder, but I know when Porsche designed the 2.4, they lowered the compression from 9.8 to 1 to 8.5 to 1. The 2.2 pistons allow you to run higher compression. Pistons and cams make more mid-range power, so I'm curious to see how this motor runs. Time to clean up the suspension. I hate doing this. Use my tap and die set to clean up some threads. Now for a few coats of epoxy black paint. This is really the next best thing to just powder coating all these parts. Pressing in these new rubber bushings. My buddy Greg saw me struggling with this, so he came over to help support the control arm. Now I'm indexing these, and yes, the rear one is backwards. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Next week, I'm at Perfect Lines putting this all together.